What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another video for you guys. As y'all can see, I don't have my Jeep. If you haven't seen my last video, make sure you guys go check that out. I give you guys a little story time on what happened and all that good stuff. It's an auto show today. Me and my man Mari, we about to go pull up over there. Go check it out. Go, why not? I don't know what other content to give y'all because I don't have my Jeep. And I'll give you guys a little update after the auto show on my Jeep and what's going on. Before I start this video, go down. If you haven't yet, follow me on my Instagram at SRTBubs. Going crazy on IG. Shout out to y'all. I'm trying to keep the content going. I'm running out of content because I don't have the Jeep anymore, so I ain't been recording, ain't been doing too much. Get this video a like, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. And let's go. This should get 24 miles per gallon. Compared to the Jeep, this shit is crazy. Like literally more than double. Nice little Corvette Z06. Okay. Yo, this nigga Mari car right here. This nigga's supposed to be pulling up. I ain't gonna lie, not having your car and driving something else is crazy. But yeah, this where the car show MVP Center now. Used to be the Times Union, used to be mad names, mad places kept buying this shit up. Now it's called the MVP Arena. I miss the Jeep so much, y'all. Y'all have no idea, for real. We got a cop. Like, I know when I get it back, like the power difference is gonna have me fucking geeked all over again. I ain't had a Jeep for like a month, y'all. Like a whole month. Let me know if y'all want POV drives in the Ultima. Oh, sorry. Let me know if y'all want POV drives in the Heltima until I get my Jeep back. Because I think when I get the Jeep back, I'm going to start doing more POV rides, stuff like that. I need some more content to put up. So let me know what you guys think about that. Alright, it's really windy. I hope y'all can hear me. I put my AirPods in. But y'all see the Heltima outside. So that motherfucker locked up. This motherfucker tripping. Yeah. About to bless y'all with the fifth check. Some good bad luck. Off-white vibes. 5E. Bad luck underneath. What it do? I'm not walking through that.
So here's your ticket to get in and an entry form for a gas card. They'll pull it.
Oh, all right. Thank you. Thank you. So they got up front. They got GT. They don't even got no cats. Oh, they got a 5.7 Durango, Grand Wagoneer. Drop top mirror. Stingray. What's this red called?
This is Red Mist Metallic.
This shit's sweet. Got a 5.0 here. I like this color. Shit not like, it's like darker than Hellraiser. But you know I never do no Mustang. It's cool though. Set of some shit upstairs too. I ain't even realized. Yo, you lacking, bro. You lacking. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. I got it, bro. You lacking. Lacking. This nigga left his phone in the vet. Ain't got shit, some Mazdas. Shit, big as shit. Everybody touching.
This shit run nice.
That's big grill in the front. Like this one here. Big Q50. Smell good as hell in here. Macan, oh. X7, it's the big boy right here. Oh my God. God. That X4M and shit. Comp 2. Carbon fiber, everything, yo. What y'all think? God damn. Coming for one of these. Just wait on it. It's gonna be BMW BUBZ soon. Do you feel like you got a little more room in this?
You just need your seat back.
Cause if it's alright, y'all. It's over with. It wasn't that much hot shit there, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, we got a nice little mirror right here. Hold up. SS mirror. Nice, nice. So yeah, there y'all go. I think the hottest shit there was probably the Hummer HV, the EV Hummer, whatever, or any one of them Beamers. Oh, either the M8 Comp or the X4M Comp. The X4M Comp a little small, but X6M Comp kind of guy, if you ask me. Might establish a BMW BUBZ soon. Keep an eye out for that. And to give you guys a quick update on the Jeep, I should be getting in a couple days. It's Sunday. Yesterday, Friday, we found a leak in the AC condenser. Found one Saturday. So we thought that was the only thing, that was the last thing left. So I was supposed to be able to pick my Jeep up yesterday. But with fitting the bumper back onto the car after everything got installed, Found out that the passenger side bracket that holds the front bumper is also broke. They gave us the driver's side, so now we gotta wait until the passenger side one come in and then just put the front bumper on. In the videos that I'm about to show y'all gonna see that it's all looking different. I'm gonna show you guys a couple clips of that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate y'all. Do me a favor, follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. You guys can stay most up to date with me on my Instagram. Go down, get this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. Like I said, I get the Jeep back soon, so y'all don't want to miss the big reveal. Thanks for tuning in again, y'all. Peace. How you doing?
All right.
So that's the
Come in. How you doing?
It's the color right there.